In this video, I'm going to explain what you have to do to make the web page assignment for your game. You're going to go into Schoology and download some sample pages that you're going to edit to turn into this simple website. There are also some videos. If you do not know HTML, please watch the videos outlined in the instructions. And there's also a reference file of HTML tags attached to this assignment as well. But here I'm just going to show you what the final product should look like when you're done. You should have a web page like this. You will have a folder that has 3 web pages in it, plus you will have your map and your title screen image. You'll have an image for your map and an image for your title screen in this folder as well. You are going to put that stuff in there so your web pages can access it. When you launch your web page, here I'll just double click on it, and you can see it's going to take me right to this page. There's my page, and it's going to have my Apple II title screen, my name, the synopsis of your game, what your game's about, what do you have to do in your game. Like basically if you're in an elevator and you've got 20 seconds to describe your game to somebody, give them a description of that game. Here's the map for your game. This is from trizbort.io. But it's scaled down. The map file is actually much bigger. And here's some statistics about your game. How many rooms and objects, ways to die. You can get that in Lantern. Just go to this. There's a review tab in Lantern. It's where you go to spell check stuff. There's a spell check review tab. It will give you this information. It's right there on the page. A link to the disk image for your game. And then some other links. There's links to the hints for your game. And then this back to master list is good. I'm going to put this all together into a website so you can go into a folder, look at a game, and then go back to the master list. This you don't have to change. That's done for you. So when you open up the file, you'll see things that you have to change. The information for how to do that is on that reference sheet and also in the videos. Now when I click on my map here, it should take me to another page called map, and here's the actual map for my game. I should be able to click on this link at the bottom and go back to my main page. For hints, here's the hints page for your game, and it is the same size. I just kind of scroll zoomed in on it. There are these little plus sizes, or plus signs. Plus sizes? No, not plus sizes. Plus signs. Plus signs is here, and if you click on them, they expose some text that gives you the answer. But the trick here is that you don't want the player to see all the answers at once. You just want them to be able to kind of click on stuff as they need it. And then there's a link back to the main page and back to the map. So these 3 sites, or these 3 pages, all link to each other. And then that back to master list thing, you do not have to change that. So let's just review. You're going to take this folder from Schoology, this HTML example folder, HTML template folder, as whatever it's called in the assignment, copy it over to your documents folder, and then you're going to put in the PNG file or a bitmap, whatever, it doesn't matter, for your title screen and an image of your map. And then you're going to open up each one of these 3 HTML files in Notepad++ and edit them and make the appropriate changes. And then once you're done, just keep it in your documents folder. At some point, we will have shared folders set up, and you can submit this to me, and then we will end up having a very cool video game wiki of everybody's games. So that's the assignment. The resources are all there. If you have any questions, just let me know.